today's topic of discussion is styloid apparatus, right? Styloid apparatus. Okay. So if you see, styloid is a styloid process, right? It is about the styloid process. It is just almost medially located to the opening of your ear. Are you understanding? It is located just medially to the opening of your ear. Okay. So we will see all the diagrams later on. So if you understand that yesterday we saw that this is the eye, okay, orbit. From here you had this what you call as the zygomatic arch. The zygomatic arch is coming from the temporal bone. So here is the temporal bone like this. Okay, temporal bone. And this behind you have this mastoid process. Okay, mastoid process. This is not the complete skull. This is just the temporal bone. Skull to aur upar hai. So don't imagine that. Okay. I hope you are able to get oriented. This is anterior. This is posterior. So this is your mastoid process. And you have the mastoid air cells here. This is a zygomatic arch. This is your orbit. Here you have your nasal septum part. You will see this, right? So if you see, one second, I will draw it a little bit nicely. Okay. Now if you see that if you cut this, you will be, or don't cut it, leave it, don't cut, wait. So this zygomatic arch, hope you understand. This is mastoid process, MP. This is zygomatic arch, ZA. And then this just at the end of the zygomatic process and anterior to the mastoid process, zygomatic arch and mastoid process, here you have nothing but the opening of your ear. And just medial to it on the inner aspect, you have the styloid process, which is a spine-like structure. So styloid process. Are you understanding? And here you have the TM joint. Okay. You have the temporomandibular joint. The mandible niche attach hota hai, sir. Okay. I am not able to show the diagram because of lack of space. But the mandible, it will join here. So this part, this is the process. Okay. Just medial to the, very easily you can locate it in the Viva. They will ask you about styloid apparatus. So this is the diagram. Okay. We have a better diagram. This is just for your understanding pictorial presentation. Now, apparatus म्हणजे सामान, styloid म्हणजे styloid process related जो काही सामान आहे, whatever material, whatever stuff we're going to discuss related to the styloid apparatus is nothing but the styloid apparatus. Usually asked as a SAQ, but it's important during your surgeries in this region. You need to know because it gives attachment to certain very important structures and some important structures pass nearby from this apparatus, near this styloid process. So we will go to them one by one. Okay. So we will see one pictorial diagram of the styloid apparatus, then we will go for the images. So this we are talking about the apparatus, a pictorial diagram. Now this is your styloid process, right? This is the tongue and this is your hyoid bone, lesser cornu, greater cornu. Just understand, it's a pictorial diagram. Now I will use green color for the I think I will use blue color for the muscle today. I will break the rules of the anatomical colors used because we don't have brown color and everything in black will not make you understand. So there are three muscles, two ligaments, one artery and one nerve related to this. Okay. Now for this you need to understand that these are like the reins of the chariot. Reins of the chariot, if you recall the Mahabharata picture where Krishna is sitting on the Arjuna's Rath and he is handling 4 horses. So these 4 horses, this is a complete chariot. Chariot means what? Do you know chariot? Do you know what is a chariot? Chariot means Rath. Chariot means Rath. And these are the reins. जे दोरी असते किंवा जे the rope what you use, that is called as the rein. Okay, so that is the rein which have. So chariot with, now here you can see 4 reins in this diagram, but this styloid apparatus is a chariot which has 5. It has 5 reins. Okay, so this is a riddle question which can be asked, and we had asked this in the quiz during our WhatsApp digital quiz. Okay, so I will clear all this whatever I have written. We will concentrate on the diagram. So if you see, there are 5. Okay, 5. It is having what? It is having 5 reins. This styloid process. So the 3 muscles. Name is everything in anatomy, as I always tell. So stylo, and as you know, the tongue is called as glossa. Glossa. So, and this is stylo. He is very much in style. You can remember like this. So, styloglossus. The muscle is styloglossus. Okay. Then, in the base, so when we will learn about tongue, we will talk in detail. In the sense, styloglossus. How, I mean, where in the tongue it is inserting and all that. Because there are so many muscles of the tongue, intrinsic, extrinsic. We will see all in detail. This is, you are just remember, just get oriented. It is connecting the styloid process and the glossa or glossus, you can say, US. Glossus. So, styloglossus muscle. Second, stylohyoid. So, from here to the greater cornua of the hyoid. Stylohyoid. Simple stylohyoid. And third, I cannot show here where it is connecting, but I can show from styloid. It's the stylopharyngeus. We have a beautiful diagram in that it is shown. Stylopharyngeus. Okay, stylopharyngeus. A pharynx kade jata to the pharynx. So that is stylopharyngeus. Okay. So you understood. Now there are two ligaments. Stylomandibular. It goes to the mandible. Now we cannot show the mandible here. We have a beautiful diagram. Stylomandibular. Mandible is somewhere here only, no? Above the hyoid, you have the mandible like this. So, stylomandibular. Okay. And second is, wait, I will erase all this. Just 1 second. Stylomandibular. Okay. Inside, or from the inside of the mandible, it gets connected medially. Okay. Stylomandibular. And the second ligament is stylohyoid ligament. That is from the styloid process to the hyoid. Okay. Stylohyoid. Purposely I have used green color for ligament, you will remember. So, you understood the three muscles. Stylo, 1, 2, 3. Glossa, glossus. Second is stylohyoid. Third is stylopharyngeus. And ligaments is stylohyoid again and stylomandibular. Simple. So these are the 5 reins of the chariot. Okay, 5 reins of the chariot. Are you able to make it? Simple. Now one artery, that is the external carotid artery. Now it goes actually this way. Just this is diagrammatic diagram. Okay, from the inside. This is actually, I should have shown. If you see it, because this is the lateral view, we have another, this is just a diagrammatic representation. We have a wonderful diagram for explaining it to you. So, this is the external carotid artery. External carotid artery. And the facial vein. Okay, facial vein. What I will do, I will erase this. Okay. So, you have the facial vein, nerve, facial nerve. This is the simple explanation of, or the pictorial representation of today's diagram. Now we will understand everything. We will see it live as if you are seeing it in the dissection. So, we saw the 3 muscles, we saw 2 ligaments, these are the muscles, 1 second, these are the muscles, these are the ligaments. We saw the artery, we saw the nerve. Okay? Hope you understand this. Very simple. You can just remember it this way. So this is what? This is the lateral view. This is the lateral view. You are viewing from outside. Again, this is anterior. ये जीभ इस तरफ है. This is posterior. And this is lateral view. So this is superior and this is inferior. Simple? Easy to understand? Okay. So this we are talking about the 3 muscles. Okay. Please mute your voice. 3 muscles. So 3 muscles. Now you focus on what I am showing it to you. This diagram is appearing very much complex. Don't bother. I will explain. See, this is the chin of the person. These are the lips of the person. I am just orienting you with the diagram. This is the tongue of the person. Okay. So this becomes anterior. This becomes posterior. See, this is the mastoid process. Are you able to recall? And this is your tympanic opening, or you can say opening of the ear, simple. I told you just medial to it you are having this styloid process. Are you able to make it? See there I will highlight it. Styloid process, are you able to make it? Very simple. This is superior and this is inferior. Now what they have written, this is the lateral view of the left side of the mandible. Left side mandible is removed. Means what? You are viewing from this side. Person is looking in this direction and तुमने उसका left side निकाल के side में रख दिया and this is a sagittal section. Okay, this is your sagittal section. Okay, sagittal section. Now if you see, now you have located the styloid process. Now you know the three muscles. One is stylohyoid, stylopharyngeus and styloglossus. Now you see, you know this is the hyoid bone. Can you see? See, this is the hyoid bone. Are you able to see? Wait, I have highlighted. Are you able to see hyoid bone? If you trace the labeling of the one which I have highlighted, this is the hyoid bone. So the muscle, I will use what? I will use green color. So from styloid process to the hyoid bone, can you see the muscle? I will highlight it again. Stylohyoid muscle. I have highlighted it with green. Can you see it? Can you see it? Just trace the labeling. See this? Stylohyoid muscle. Very simple. So stylohyoid we saw. Now stylopharyngeus. Styloid process से pharynx में नीचे जा रहा है. Just above that, if you see, this is stylopharyngeus. Are you able to make? See, this is the stylopharyngeus. थोड़ा सा अंदर. See this. I will put it in red. Okay. This is the muscle. Now I will erase it so that you can see it. Are you able to make the labeling? It is going inside this middle pharyngeal constrictor muscle. All these are muscles of the pharynx. Okay, when you will learn about pharynx, you will understand. तो middle pharyngeal three constrictors रहते हैं, superior, middle और inferior. तो ये जो middle constrictor of the pharynx है, that is middle pharyngeal constrictor. Inside that, or you can say anterior to that, you have this stylopharyngeus muscle. Are you able to make? Are you able to make it? From the styloid process, this muscle is going like this inside the pharynx. Okay, and if you see, wait, I will put the styloid process again. And so this stylopharyngeus is also over. Now you need styloglossus. Now what I will do, I will use yellow color. Styloglossus. See, I'm sorry. I'm highlighting the labeling. Styloglossus. Are you able to see it? Styloglossus. Now if you trace the labeling, styloglossus. See, styloid process to glossa. I mean base of the tongue. These are all muscles which are forming the muscles of the tongue. You will see them in detail. See, all are glossa, genioglossus. Sometime back when we were discussing mandible, I told you genial tubercle रहते इधर mandible on the inside the mandible. I mean on the mandible on the inner aspect, that is this side, there are genial tubercles. So they form the genioglossus muscle. Mylohyoid muscle means what? Means what? Connecting to the hyoid and what? Can you trace it? Okay, homework for you. Geniohyoid, from the genial tubercle to the hyoid. This way all these muscles are named on the, simple it is, not that difficult. So this was the chin, this was the tongue. So the third muscle also you have traced. Yes or no? This one. Styloglossus. So this is about the three muscles. This is about the three muscles. Okay. Now we will go for the ligaments. If you see on the screen, are you able to see this? I will highlight styloid process. See, this is the styloid process. Yes. Just medial to this external acoustic meatus, that is the opening of your ear, and behind it is posterior the mastoid process. Yes or no? So I'll erase all this, wait, so that you can see it correctly. Now if you see the styloid process, this is here. Now it is giving attachment to two ligaments. Can you see? I'll label it into, I will highlight it in red. Okay, I have underlined. Stylomandibular ligament. Okay. Stylomandibular ligament. Can you see this? See this. This is the styloid process, right? And this is your mandible. And if you see this labeling, stylomandibular, thoda sa aage. I am not able to make that label. Are you able to trace that? Stylomandibular. Simple. See, this is the connection. What I will do, I will put it in green. Yes. 1 second. See, this is your mandible. Then, can you see this green color? Yes or no? That is a stylomandibular. Styloid process पासून mandible पर्यंत आहे. Stylo. So when you learn the mandible bone in detail, you come to know where on the mandible this stylomandibular ligament is attached. And second is stylohyoid. Now this is the hyoid bone. Yes or no? This is the hyoid bone. So from the styloid process to the hyoid. And now you will say there are two. This one on either side. ये इधर का है और ये पीछे का है. Okay. So on the lesser cornua it is getting attached. Are you able to make it? Stylomandibular, stylohyoid. I will highlight it. Stylohyoid ligament. Are you able to make it? Simple it is. So we discuss the two ligaments also. We discuss the two ligaments of the styloid apparatus in the diagram. Getting oriented? Very simple. See, always remember this diagram. It might have appeared very much difficult to you, like a nightmare. But in Atlas, we must always see what we want to see. We must not see what is given in the book. In the sense, the book is showing the whole diagram with so many labelings. Tens of, labelings are there. Almost 50-60 labelings are there. If the complete diagram is seen. But we should see what we want now. We want to see what external carotid artery. Right? Now, if you see this, I am using the yellow color. Okay. If you see this, I will use red color only. If you see this artery, I will use yellow color. Wait. If you see this artery, this is the ये नीचे common carotid, this is the external carotid, and this is the internal carotid. Okay, internal carotid is going behind inside. It is going inside medially, and this external carotid we have cut it. Can you see this? We have cut ends. Are you able to see this? We are having the cut ends. Okay, so we have cut so that we can see the structures below. Now, what we are going to see that external carotid artery is related to, it is related to the styloid process. How we will see? I will erase all this labeling. Just follow my pointer, red color pointer. Or first I will mark the styloid process. Can you see this external acoustic meatus? Then this is the sternocleidomastoid ka belly, or you can say insertion on the mastoid process. Now if you see medial to this external acoustic meatus, can you see this one? Can you see that? There is a facial nerve here. First we will finish with the nerve. I am highlighting the labeling. Facial nerve. If you trace the labeling, it is this one. Yes, facial nerve. Now from which foramen it is exiting? Do you recall? Facial nerve, can anyone tell me which foramen? Do you recall the diagram? Can anyone tell me facial nerve is exiting from which foramen? Can anyone tell me? Facial nerve. Do you recall? So this is the homework. You need to recall it, right? I told you that other day that you have to recall those foramen and the structures passing through them. So this is the facial nerve. Saw the relation of the facial nerve. See, it is laterally present. From posterior to anterior, it is going like this. Are you able to make this? Very simple. And now we will talk about the external carotid. So if you see, this is the apparatus. Actually, I need to zoom it more. We will clear this. We will zoom it more. Now, can you see this? See, this is your external carotid artery, right? This you already cut it, external carotid artery. And this artery is actually like this. Now this, behind this facial nerve, your apparatus is there. Are you able to make it see that gray color? This gray color structure, this is your apparatus. So it is having relation to, can you see this styloglossus muscle? Styloglossus going to the tongue. Styloglossus muscle, are you able to make it? Yes. Now if you see this carotid artery, I am showing it in red now, okay. This is the external carotid artery. This is the cut end. So this external carotid artery is having relation with this styloid process. So external carotid artery and facial nerve, they are related this way. Carotid artery is going medially to this styloid process, And facial nerve, mind me, I am writing in red, but it is nerve. Wait, I will write it in yellow, otherwise you will confuse. Facial nerve is going laterally. Simple. Understood? Very simple it is. So we have seen all the relations of the styloid apparatus. Now I will summarize very quickly. So if you see, just 1 second. If you see that you have the 3 muscles, 2 ligaments, 1 artery, 1 nerve. Facial nerve laterally. Artery, external carotid artery going medially. 2 ligaments, stylo mandibular, stylo hyoid. 3 muscles, stylo pharyngeus, stylo hyoid and styloglossus. Simple. So this is about styloid apparatus. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can ask me.